In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation of your entire document, as well as how to rotate specific text within it. Whether you're preparing a report or just want to present your text in a fresh, engaging way, managing the orientation of your document is a key skill. We'll start by changing the orientation of the document itself, and then we'll move on to rotating specific sections of text. Let's dive in. First, let's tackle changing the orientation of the entire document. You'll want to start by heading to the File menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Page Setup. Click on that, and you'll see a dialog box pop up. This is where you'll find an option for orientation. It's typically set to Portrait by default, which is the standard vertical alignment we're all used to. To change it, you simply switch the orientation from Portrait to Landscape. This will give your document a wider horizontal layout, which can be particularly useful for creating more visual or graphic-heavy documents. After you've made your selection, go ahead and click OK to apply these changes. Just remember, you need to be in Pages format, not pageless, to access the orientation option. If you're unsure about your current setting, take a moment to check. This will ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, let's focus on rotating specific text within the document. First, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Insert. Select Drawing and then choose New. This will open a drawing canvas where you'll be able to create your custom text box. Once you're in, find the text box icon in the toolbar. Click on it, then click and drag in the drawing area to draw your text box to the desired size. Now you're ready to type your text inside this newly created box. After you've entered your text, you might want to rotate it for emphasis or visual impact. To do this, click on the text box, and you'll notice a blue rotation handle appear above the box. Click and drag this handle to rotate the text box to 90 degrees or your desired angle. This feature gives you creative flexibility, allowing you to align text in a way that best fits your design vision. Once you've adjusted the rotation, your final step is to click, Save, and Close. Your rotated text will now seamlessly appear in your document right where you left it. And there you have it. Whether you're adjusting the entire document or just a piece of text, these tips should empower you to manipulate the layout with ease. Happy document editing, and be sure to apply these simple steps to add a little flair to your next project.